Markstein. This is something special, fresh from the fair. We're going to tell you what that means and all about it. But first, let me show you these gorgeous options. This is our premier Luxe Paperclip necklace. We love that classic paperclip, but we've never seen it like this before. You have a lot of choices today. You have an 18-inch, 20-inch, or 22-inch. This is beautiful because you've got a lot of great color options. You can do that beautiful silver and black. You can do all silver. You can do the rose gold and silver, the all gold, and then that beautiful two-tone that's been so popular. That easy pay is between $14 to $18, exclusive to us here at QVC, and made more special because look closely. Those aren't diamonds. This is diamond cutting. I think this is so elegant and unique. It's J446062. My friend David Markstein is joining me, the genius behind this beautiful necklace. David, I'm so happy to see you.
I am so happy to work with you.
Well, this is such a pleasure. And we say fresh from the fair,
Yes.
and you are. You're fresh back from Italy.
Yes.
I imagine full of like good food and wine as well.
Never complain about the food and wine, but I also love the jewelry there, I admit.
Absolutely. So tell us about the fair and what that means when we're saying we're bringing you something exclusive to us here at QVC.
So when we talk about fresh from the fair, we walk around the fair. I've been there well over 100 times and hundreds of factories I've visited. But when you walk the fair, sometimes you see something that's very unique. And normally when you would see something with the buyers, you would place an order and the buyers would wait a couple months because the manufacturing had to be done. And then it comes on QVC.
Yes.
Well, QVC did something very original. And they said, you know what, this is so hot right now, this product. We're not going to place an order. We're going to just bring the only samples here.
This is the only one.
Only samples. And the factory was so hoping to sell to the rest of the universe. They have every country in the world visits this booth. And we have the only samples. And it's so special because there's a wonderful story to it. So this is why we're calling it Fresh from the Fair, because you are only reserving yours today and you get the choice of this beautiful necklace with a color story going on, and then the bracelet option as well.
Absolutely. This is like membership to an exclusive club, and the prices are unbelievable, David. I can't believe that you're bringing us. So here are your choices. You can do the 18-inch, that's $69.98, 5 easy payments of $14. The 20-inch is $79.98, 5 easy payments of $16. And then the largest size, the 22-inch, is $89.98, 5 easy payments of $18. But then let's talk about all your gorgeous choices when it comes to your colors. Let's start at the top.
So whenever you see the two-tone versions, that would be the two-tone silver and black, silver and rose, and silver and gold. The way this is done and what makes this spectacular and Italian ingenuity at its best is it starts off as a silver chain. They plate it in black, or they plate it in rose, or they plate it in gold, and then they diamond cut right through. So the original color, which is that silver color, shines through. And the reason for this, it looks like diamonds. It looks like the most beautiful sparkle, but you get that two-tone effect. And you know what's wonderful about a Fresh from the Fair? You can do many options. You can order, you can have black, you can have all these other options. And I always insist on having black as a color choice because it's so hot right now. I'm starting to see it more and more prevalent at the fair as I'm walking, and I'm like, oh, there's black again. So I want to make it a color staple for QVC, and the buyers love it, and everything, and you're loving it too.
You know what I think is so awesome about this? Super unisex. I can't help it. You know more is more in my book, David. I put on all three. It's delicate, it's unique, and what I think is so special, if you go for that 22-inch, because it's this beautiful paperclip design, you can make it any length that you would choose.
And if you just go like this, it all comes together. But it's very versatile because you can hook that lobster claw on any of those links. We made this in a gauge, what's called the size of the link, in a way that we wanted to be user-friendly. I want jewelry to be hassle-free for you, so you can hook that lobster claw on any of those links. So if you buy the 22-inch and you have an outfit that would look better with an 18-inch or a 16-inch, you just have that chain dangle from the back or have it dangle from the front in a Y necklace format.
Pretty.
And if you have the bracelet, which we have here, that matches the necklace, you can buy both, which is very affordable, and hook the bracelet onto the necklace to make it really long. So in other words, if you had the 22-inch and you buy the 8-inch bracelet, you have a 30-inch necklace, and it looks beautiful. And many of you have been telling me that you're purchasing both,
Yes.
which is great because I think it gives you the world of looks that you can do.
You're bringing us something absolutely gorgeous, so versatile. And here's the deal. That bracelet is already super popular. I want to tell everyone right now, that bracelet has a $7 easy pay. I was on QVC2 this morning. We have beautiful t-shirts that have a $7 easy pay. This is something really special. The choices in the bracelet are the same as the necklace. You have that gorgeous black and silver. You have the all yellow, which is that beautiful 18-karat yellow gold that's layered over sterling silver. You have the all silver option, the rose gold, and the most popular option so far has been two-tone. And David, I love, you know, for me, for the longest time, I thought, okay, I can only wear silver, I can only wear gold. This is like that transitional piece that allows you to wear both at once.
I've been saying two-tone is something up and coming for a long time. Two-tone always refers to really yellow and white combination together. It's a beautiful look that is a status look, and I love the combination of this. And the bracelet, one of the things we're looking at here, so we have a color story going on here. We have a layering story here that is wonderful. You can layer more than one of these together. You can layer your own necklaces with this if you want to. If you have a watch, wear it with the bracelet. It's what I call the perfect gauge, the perfect scale of this bracelet. And it looks so great with your watch. You know, it looks beautiful with your watch. And it just everything about it comes together.
David, right before we started the show, I said, oh, I'm bringing this home because I'm going to wear it next to my watch. This bracelet, I'm going to give you the item number. It's J446364. That easy pay is $7. It's a sale price today of $34.98. Say you purchase that 18-inch necklace and that bracelet together, that's a $21 easy pay for something unique, effortless, and elegant. Lots of ways to bring it home today. You can tap our QVC app. You can visit us on QVC.com. You can always give us a call, but this is unique, effortless, beautiful, a classic you're going to love and wear year after year. Here are your choices one more time. This is that beautiful silver and black. Again, David, unisex.
I love it.
Think that a man or woman could wear this. That's your beautiful silver choice. There is your rose gold silver. That's your all yellow gold. And then we have my favorite, I think everyone else's favorite too, that beautiful two-tone choice. Just a couple hundred remain in each color choice and size choice. Your choice is a size between the 18 to the 22. That easy pay is between $14 to $18. It seems crazy, David, that we're talking about fine Italian jewelry at these easy pay prices.
And this is a fresh from the fair. It's a concept we used to do a long time ago. Thank goodness the buyers agreed to bring this back again. It's a wonderful concept because you get to see it first. It's so hot right now. These are the only samples in existence right now.
This is a way to become a member of a really exclusive club. When you order it now, it's going to be sent to you March 24th. Make sure you give us a call. It's J446062. David, I just love seeing you. Thank you so much for spending time.